Walking uphill can be challenging, especially on steeper slopes. With a fully extended knee joint, the user must lift themselves over the prosthesis. With optimized ascent, the knee joint remains in flexion for a longer time and automatically adjusts the preflexion angle to the incline. Optimized ascent reduces the lever of the prosthesis, which allows users to climb slopes more easily.